Hey everyone, Okana here, back with more charts. I have two things for you that I want you to know. USDJPY, first of all, we talked about this triangle breakout last week. If you haven't seen it, go check it out, please. I made this video a few days ago. So we got the weekly trend line. Here it is, the weekly trend line. So what happened was that price broke out of that triangle, which we had here. And then I give you the other target below. So as you can see, it did break out and went all the way down to the weekly trend line, bounced from there, and now if you look at it, we see price retrace to this level here, this horizontal line. So I'm going to remove these other lines that we don't need. I'm going to keep the weekly and the daily trend line here, and this retracement. So for future, for continuation, we want to look for two things. One, if we look at this area here, so we could have this, or we could just use the support line. In this case, we already established the support line, so I'm going to remove that. So either price is going to break, and that could be a sign that the bulls are not as strong as they seem to be. So if this retracement here holds, then we're looking for the next target, the next breakout from here, and continuation for the weekly bulls. So this level is pretty strong. Look at this level. If we get a breakout here, look how it was support here, it was resistance here with a huge volume of sellers in this area. So it's pretty strong. And if this level is holding, it's a good sign of a continuation for bulls. If it doesn't hold, it doesn't look good. And of course, as always, you can go down to the lower time frames and then have step-by-step targets. Like for example, you got the support here. So first we want this level to be reached and broken, and then after that you got this one, and then you got the trend line. So what you can do, you can keep these lines, and also remember, you can always trade breakouts like this when price is going sideways, going down like this, and touching the same trend line over and over. So you can see here, if we go all the way back here, so we got the first breakout, and then trading towards the next level trend line, and after that continuation. So that's the lines I want you to have on your charts for USDJPY. And also the pound is very interesting. Look at these patterns on the daily time frame. Look at these candles, and then the sharp drop followed by two other red candles, right? We have a similar pattern here. Look at these three candles, and then look at these three candles, and then you got the sharp drop. So are we going to expect, like the previous time, a continuation? Actually, like the two previous time, look, 1 2 3 red candles, 1 2 3 red candles. Okay, so are we going to see another continuation for 2 or more days? Or even if it's just one day, regardless, the days doesn't matter. If you're trading forex, we're looking for target. Okay, and the target is obviously, the first target's going to be down here, and after that the trend line itself. So how do we trade this? Obviously this is a strong support. Look at this huge candle, and if you move to the left, you see it was support before as well. So we have several touches on this candle, so it's a significant level. Will it break this time? It's possible, and then inside this channel the price will continue, the bears will continue all the way down. So that's a possibility. What could happen is a retracement back to this trend line. This is why I have this trend line here. So price could retrace here before it goes down and breaks. It could break and retrace up here and then continue. So multiple scenarios can happen, but regardless, what we want to do is to, if we want to go with the bears, we want a break below this line before we trade with the bears. So that's all there is to it. And to trade this, we want a breakout. We want at least a 4-hour candle to be closed below this line here, and so far it looks like the daily is going to keep staying here above this support line. So that's pretty much it. You got this channel, you got this important support line, so we're waiting for a break here, and then you have the technical analysis and the forecast for USDJPY. That's pretty much it for now. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and share the video.